Did you know Rogers offers exclusive savings on your phone plan and devices? If you're part of a qualified company, organization, or eligible group, the Rogers Preferred program gives you exclusive offers on Rogers Infinite plans and devices. Plus, get personalized service to help you choose the plan and device for your needs. And that's not all. You can also share the same great discounts with your family too. Here's how to apply for the Rogers Preferred program. Let's go. Visit www.rogers.com/preferred. Fill out the online form. Make sure to enter your company email address. Then select Continue. If your organization is listed, congratulations! You're eligible for exclusive offers. Select your company and select Continue. You'll get an email to verify your account. Select Verify. Once verified, you'll receive your passcode. Select Use Passcode. Then Submit. That's it! As part of the Rogers Preferred program, you can now enjoy the benefits of exclusive savings, affordable devices, and more. Visit rogers.com/RPP to get started today.